Good morning students. Today we will start our 11th chapter, class 9th, work and energy. Okay. So what is the energy and work? In the day-to-day life we have discussed that every day we do some work based on our energies. Okay. Every day we do different types of works like running, playing, reading books, okay, singing, dancing, and how we can do this work? Because we have some energy to do this work. Okay, so both are interrelated terms, work and energy. And without work energy cannot be possible, and energy without energy work cannot be possible. Okay, so work can be done only with the help of energy. Okay, so we require energy for the different life processes like digestion of our food, writing, thinking, jumping, cycling, running. Every activities required energy. Okay, like playing, singing, reading. These are called life processes, and we need energy for doing or performing these activities. Okay, so what is work? We have to study first what is work. Okay, for doing work energy is required. Energy is required for doing work. Okay, in animals energy is supplied by food they eat, and in machine energy is supplied by fuel. Why sometimes not much work is done in spite of working hard? Okay, so the question comes up that why sometimes not much work is done in spite of working hard? Okay, so like a farmer, he works very hard in his plough field. Okay, still a very little work is done in terms of the growing of the crops. Okay, day to day he works very hard, but sometimes the work or the result or the output is very less. So we will say that it is very less work done is done. Okay, reading, writing, drawing, thinking, analyzing, all are energy consuming. Okay, we read our books, we write notes, we draw diagrams, we think in our mind about different and things. Okay, analyzing all the concepts, and all these activities required a very big amount of energy. Okay, but in scientific manner no work is done in these above cases. Okay, so what are these examples? A man is completely exhausted in trying to push a rock. Okay, whenever man or an animal, whenever he pushes a rock or a wall, okay, then there is no change in the position of that big rock or the big wall. So we said that the work done is zero there. Okay, because we have seen that the wall is stationary or that big rock is stationary. So we will say that no work is done here. Okay, a man standing still with heavy suitcase may be tired soon, but he does not work in this situation as he is stationary. Okay, so basically in the scientific concepts, whenever a man having a bag on his head and standing at a certain position is feeling tired soon, but he does not do any work in this situation as he is stationary. Okay, you can see in this picture a man is forcing a wall, but the wall is not changing its position because it is too heavy or too rigid. Okay, so a little force applied by the man, which is in terms of him is very great force, but here no displacement in the wall, so there is no position change. So when force is applied on the wall doesn't move, therefore no work is done. So when we can say in the scientific conception or in the language of physics that work is done, work is said to be done when a moving object comes to rest. Okay, whenever a moving object comes to rest, then we can say that work is done here. An object at rest starts moving. A moving object comes to rest is work, and vice versa. An object whenever at rest, and from rest whenever it starts moving, we will say that work is done here. Now whenever the velocity of an object changes, the work is said to be done. Okay, and whenever the shape of an object changes, the work is said to be done. Okay, so this is the scientific conception of the work, that work is done when a force produces motion in a body. Okay, work is done when a force produces a motion in a body. Work is said to be done when a force is applied on a body and the body moves under the influence of force. Okay, work is said to be done when a force is applied on a body and the body moves under the influence of force. So these are the two basic conditions of work in the scientific conception or in the language of physics. That first one is the force should be applied on the body, and the second, the body should be displaced. Okay, force should be applied on the body and body should be displaced. Okay, here is the examples. Work is done when a cyclist is pedaling the cycle. Okay, work is done here. Man is lifting load in upward or downward direction is also said to be a work done. Work is not done when a coolie carrying some load on his head stands stationary, and work is not then done when a man is applying force on a big rod. So work done by a fixed force. The work done in moving a body is equal to the product of force and displacement of a body in the direction of force. So here is the definition of the work done. Work done in moving a body is equal to the product of force and displacement of a body in the direction of force. This is the initial position of the object, and it covers a distance s and reaches the final position. Okay, then the work done is here is the force into displacement, that is the product of force and displacement. Work is a scalar quantity and unit of work is Newton meter or joule. So what is the 1 joule? Whenever a force of 1 Newton moves a body through a distance of 1 meter in its own direction, then the work done is said to be 1 joule. Okay, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. Now work is done against gravity during climbing stairs. Okay, whenever we climb the stairs, the work is done against the gravity. Okay, the amount of work done is depends on the following factors. How much work is done depends on the following factors. First factor is the magnitude of the force. Greater the force, greater is the amount of work, and vice versa. Okay, the greater the force we applied on an object, the greater the amount of work is produced there. Displacement, greater the displacement of the object and greater is the amount of work. Negative, positive and zero work, three types of work here. And the work done by a force can be positive, negative or zero. Work done is positive when a force acts on the body in the direction of motion of the body, like a child pulls a toy car with a string horizontally on the ground. Here work done is positive, that is work is equal to force into displacement. Car is forcing the car, the child is pulling the car towards him, and the force is applied in the same direction where the displacement is done, then the work done is said to be positive in this case. Now work done is negative when a force acts on the body and the body moves in the opposite direction. Okay, in the motion of the body, whenever we apply a force in the opposite direction of the motion of the body, then the work done is said to be negative. Like when we kick a football lying on the ground, the force of our kick moves the our kick moves the football. Here direction of force applied and motion of football is same as, so work done is positive. But when football slows due to force of friction acting in direction opposite to direction of motion of football, thus work done is negative. Okay, so whenever the friction force stops the ball, it means here negative work is done. Work done is zero when force acts at right angles to the direction of the motion. Okay, work done is zero when a force acts at right angle to the direction of motion. And the moon moves around the earth in circular path. Here force of gravitation acts as the moon at right angles to the direction of the motion of the moon. So work done is zero. Here the moon moves around the earth in circular path. Force of gravitation acts on the moon at right angles to the direction of motion of the so here the work done will be 0. Okay, negative sign indicates that work is done against gravity. If work is done against the direction of motion gravity, then it is taken as negative. Coolie lifts a luggage 15 kg from the ground, put it on head 1.5 meter. Then work we can calculate through this formula, force into displacement. Okay, we will get the work is equal to 225 Newton meters or 225 joules. Okay, so this is known as the work done in our physics. So read it and write the notes of it. Thank you. Have a nice day.